Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg salad. First, let's get those eggs ready. Place 6 to 8 large eggs into a saucepan and cover them with cold water, ensuring at least 1 inch of water above the eggs. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes. This method ensures perfectly cooked eggs every time, making them easy to peel and ideal for your salad. Once your eggs are cooked, it's time for the crucial peeling step. Transfer them immediately to an ice bath for about 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. Gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell, then peel them under cool running water. Finally, use a fork or an egg slicer to chop your perfectly cooked eggs into small, consistent pieces, ready for mixing. Now for the creamy, flavorful base of our egg salad. In a medium bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For a lovely crunch and fresh taste, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of fresh chives or green onions. Don't forget to season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance all those wonderful flavors. The final step is to bring everything together. Gently fold your chopped eggs into the creamy dressing you just prepared. Mix carefully until all the egg pieces are evenly coated, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Taste your egg salad and adjust any seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or pepper if desired. Serve it immediately on toast or lettuce, or chill it for about 30 minutes for a refreshing treat. Enjoy your easy, homemade egg salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.